One of the really key things about conferences like this is actually you've got a mixing pot of the industry, you've got government officials, you've got academics, and you've really then got the startup ecosystem and the innovations which come about. And really what I've seen on that PropTech stage today is that meeting of minds, where you've had this real collaboration of ideas that have come together on the panels, which have really made for a fruitful discussion and hopefully some really integral learning for the people that have been in attendance. It is genuinely about the mixing of different people coming together. And what I've really liked about this event today is seeing that you've got the government officials mixing with the academics, which is then mixing with the industry people. And the industry people are both the sort of the startup ecosystem, but also the incumbent sector. And then finally, the money people, the venture capitalists, which have also been here present as well. So for me, that meeting of minds, that clashing of ideas, and eventually sort of working through scenarios that can develop has been really integral. And I've seen that apparent in several of the sessions I've seen today, and it's been really enjoyable as a consequence. I think some of the key elements that we've seen today have been talking about the whole life cycle of the building. And I think we've really had discussions about how ConTech and PropTech should be converging. And I think the big takeaway for me there is that we really need from the startup space to come together a lot more, stop operating in our construction and our property silos and actually come together. But I also think that also operates within the incumbents understanding the differences between each of these technology companies and really being very clear about the problems they're trying to solve. And I think if we can somehow have construction technologies and property technologies working together an awful lot more, and an industry which understands the problems that it's having a lot more, I'm sure we can make a lot more progress a lot quicker. And that would be my biggest takeaway.